Another good addition is the Dewalt DCF 8885, which is the quarter inch impact driver that goes along with the half-inch one I have. I probably will get a 3/8 eventually. Uses the same 20-volt XR lithium-ion battery, and I think it's an excellent addition for doing simple jobs like this one here. I'll take a couple of bolts out. I put a 1/4 inch adapter in it. I know there's other videos out there on these units, but I figured I'd just show you real quick here how I'd use it. I think I have the right socket for this, but get the camera lined up here and take a couple of bolts out of this. Redo this carburetor on this mower, and it's a good addition to have. But I've installed screws with it. I've installed lag bolts with it, and it works very well. And you see how quick I removed that carburetor using Dewalt 20-volt max 1/4 inch impact driver. Part number, I guess you'd call it that, is DCF 8885. Don't know the stats on this, but it was a good addition. I also bought a 1/2 inch drill with it. I'll do a video on that as well. But yeah, just a quick short video on the impact driver. So thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and remember, keep on wrenching.